How many times can we talk about saucy meatballs?
I might have just eaten a whole bag of Boom Chicka Pop, but hey, always down for cooking with Lex.
I don't know how to start.
None of that. Do you like saucy ginger meatballs? Stay tuned. Straight out of the HelloFresh Hall of Fame.
Tonight, we are making saucy ginger meatballs.
There they are.
Yes.
And once we're done, they're gonna look just like that. Exactly like that.
Exactly.
Also, our kitchen always looks this clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do we need, Lexa?
A lot of stuff. A
That's
lot of
what-
dishes later.
That's what we need.
There's something called thumb in here.
What?
Thumb is one of the ingredients.
Thumb?
One thumb
One
of ginger.
One ginger thumb. A thumb of ginger. Okay.
Here is the thumb.
Yummy. Wow, I may just eat that by myself. This recipe is from HelloFresh. We've been trying them out for like...
A month or so.
Yeah.
It's going well.
A little pricey, but good.
Mm-hmm.
And easy.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you have to cook. You have to cook. That's not easy.
Yeah.
But
it makes life a lot easier. I don't have to think about what I'm making for dinner when I'm coming home from a long day.
What you're making.
Or Joshua's making.
What we're making. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Just leave me out. That's fine.
No. This one does a lot of the work.
Step one.
The thumb of ginger.
Step one. Wash the produce.
Do you wash ginger?
We don't know.
Thumb of ginger? I don't know.
Boop. Boom. Okay, and we're gonna get some angular.
Diagonal.
What's angular?
I don't know. They just call it diagonal.
Okay, we get some diagonal slices.
Beautiful.
Ooh,
You're doing a great job.
this should be fine. The key to every good recipe. Yeah, it should be fine.
Do you want to use these?
Yeah, might as well. I mean, I like them. Do you?
Not really.
What are they used on? A nice little drizzle of oil on top. Our favorite oil, not just any oil. What kind of oil?
Oh, wow.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Mm.
I don't know what that means. We were trying to figure out how to handle ginger. How do
Okay,
you...
go back up.
Scrape off the skin with the side of a spoon. Interesting.
Ew.
Well, doesn't exactly scrape. Ah! I don't know why it said the side of a spoon. I think a cutting knife works perfectly fine, but okay. Now we've got our mince by hand. Oh my gosh, how much ginger do you need?
I don't know.
I don't know.
About that much. Are you done using this?
Okay, I'm actually doing a terrible job at opening this, but in the bowl. So what we got going on over here?
Bringing the rice to a boil.
Le boil.
Look at that masterful work right there.
And you separate the whites from the green part.
The green part.
I don't know, the greens. Now we're putting all of the scallion whites in with some panko breadcrumbs, the meat,
And bulgogi.
and the what?
What is this called? Bulgogi? Bulgogi?
Bull.
Bull something.
We are so cultured. Now we pour. Lexa wants me to combine the meatballs.
Can't do it with these.
but I can do it with these. Yummy. Mmm.
Don't make those noises. Let's see how the carrots are looking. Smells and sounds good.
And we have our nice clump
Chunk of meat.
of meat, scallion white, and panko, and what else? Is that it? Bulgogi.
Those scallions are just very big.
I washed my hands, and then Alexa informed me that I wasn't done. So now we're forming the meatballs.
Looks great.
They do look good. Do you know how many it's supposed to make?
Probably about 10. Doing great.
Great job, guys. Great job.
I've been hanging around my kids too much.
Alexa,
You're doing great, sweetie.
thanks.
Oh gosh.
Our meatballs are ready to go, and Alexa's making this yummy looking sriracha stuff.
I need to add water.
How long does this recipe take?
Prep 10, cook for 35, so 45 minutes. So far, it's taken us about an hour or more, and we're not done.
We got our meatballs going in. Yummy. Carrots just came out. Our timing needs a little work. What do you think? Hey, we can eat some carrots while we wait on the meat. What do you say, a question card? What personality trait of your partner do you wish you had more of? Whew. Whew.
Well, Joshua is an achiever and always wanting to do more.
And you are too.
Well, no, not as much as you. So I think that he's always ready to better himself. So.
Oh, you're second up to me too much. That's so sweet.
What about you?
Alexa never gets mad.
Oh my gosh.
Or when she does, she has a lot of grace, and she always tries to see life through another person's perspective, which I appreciate. She's a sweetie. So sweet.
That's sweet.
What's the craziest thing we've ever done together? Honestly, probably make this meal. Totally joking.
Get married in a pandemic and start a life together.
That's good. Kind of easy, but
no, it's brought us challenges, but we've gotten through it together.
Yeah. Man, we sound so boring.
No, we've been places.
What is your partner's oddest habit?
I don't want to expose you.
While Alexa thinks about my oddest habit, carrots, some of the edges a little burnt, but very good.
Yeah, they are a little burnt.
Okay, this isn't Alexa's oddest habit, but I think it's pretty funny. We started dating. I found out that Alexa can't exist without a blanket.
That's very true.
Anytime we're anywhere, she needs fuzzy socks, boots, a blanket, a couch. Anything
I think
else?
we should show the boot warmer.
She also has a boot warmer. She has this hoodie that is like furry, and she puts the hood on, and
I like to be cozy, okay?
sometimes I don't know how to take it because she's just kind of like in her own little bubble of warmth, even when it's 70 degrees in our apartment. Or 72.
I like being cozy.
You like being cozy.
Well, yeah, I like to be warm too, but I like to be comfortable,
Coziness.
cozy.
That is Alexa's habit, coziness. Okay, Alexa still has not figured out my oddest habit. Come on, you gotta have something.
Okay. So, I don't know if this is his oddest habit either, but every time he gets out of the shower, he always has to sit on the edge of the bed for a good 2 minutes, and then he gets going.
I feel exposed.
I don't know why you do it. It's every time.
It is. It is a habit. I do that. Yes. Moving on.
Ooh, they're browning.
Yummy.
Looking good. We have 5 minutes left. And then we'll make them saucy.
I'm uncomfortable. I'm sweating.
True Martha Stewart fashion.
Fashion. That sounds kind of edgy. I feel like I'm at Publix again. I just need a hairnet.
Oh my
I work
gosh.
at Publix with hairnet.
Proud Publix worker.
Go Publix.
Now he has those shoes on.
The slides. Don't hate on the slides, okay? I'm not gonna wear real shoes in our home. Okay, these are ready. Let's pull them.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Get them.
Put them on a little thing.
Bowl. Yummy. Now we are adding the meatballs to a separate bowl. And we're going to add the remaining B-word sauce. Alexa, would you like to say it?
I don't know.
Bulgogi, bulgogi, bulgogi.
I don't think it's bulgogi. Oh no.
We're saucing. Oh wow. They're sauced. Just
Looks
like
good.
that. Roughly an hour later,
It's done.
it's time to
Plate.
plate.
Harder.
We are plating. I've always wanted to use that word. Can you use that word?
Plating?
Plating, like plating the dish. Lexa will be doing the plating this evening. My darling's going to begin with a large dollop of rice. Oh, wow. Wow. Steaming. Yas. Yas. Y-A-S, yas. Lexa's cringing. And Lexa, the final step is what?
Plating the meatballs.
Here we go. Wow. Truly a Hall of Fame presentation for a Hall of Fame dish. Oh, party foul. Party foul. On the side. We made that. Teeth, not tools. Teeth, not tools. I hate it when people say that. Sesame seeds are the final touch.
I'm looking at what the meal should look like and what our meal looks like. Big difference. But I'm sure it tastes the same.
She's being critical. It looks beautiful. Lord bless this food.
Try. Very good. Spicy. Whew.
What is that?
Sriracha.
Wow. I love this.
Definitely would eat this again.
Good job, HelloFresh. Good job.
All of their meals that we've tried have been top notch. And they've given us a lot of ideas.
What do you remember about our first kiss? Lexa probably remembers nothing about our first kiss, to be honest.
So our first kiss happened 4 months after we started dating.
What? You remember?
Yeah. It was very weird about it.
Was this when we were watching that pageant?
So romantic.
Were we watching a pageant?
I think so.
Like Miss Universe. Okay. I was watching Miss Universe with my universe.
Aw. That was so bad.
That hurt. I just remember kissing a lot. No. That night, we kissed on the cheek a lot.
Yeah.
This is so good. I would recommend a week of HelloFresh just for this recipe.
Really?
Would you not?
Yeah.
I would.
Clean
Clean Plate Club. I might have had to help Alexa a little bit, but the food was
very
eaten.
full.
Sweet, spicy, full,
Flavorful.
rich, wonderful. It's like Korean barbecue bliss in a meatball. What more could you want?
And it was very fun to cook it together. We hope you have a great evening, morning, whenever you're watching this.
It's 10 p.m. and we have to clean the kitchen. So we're going to go.
Wish us luck. Bye.
From our saucy meatballs to yours.
Peace.
If you enjoyed this as much as we did, subscribe.
Or do what you want to do.
Or don't, honestly.
No.
I mean, be kind of lame not to.
You do what you want to do, but we would really appreciate it.
We would highly advise you to subscribe.
No. Say that.
We need to do dishes.